Using ready-made fairness creams to lighten your skin is fine. But to get truly healthy, glowing and fair skin, you need to work from within. In this video, we are going to be looking at 10 ways to get fair and glowing skin naturally. After watching the video, click on the link in the description below the video to download a free ebook on how to glow your skin in 3 days naturally. How to get fair skin at home. Lemon. Fresh lemon juice lightens dark spots and blemishes. Apply it to your skin and neck. Milk. Mix 1 teaspoon each of honey and milk, and apply the paste over your face and neck. Turmeric. Apply a paste of 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons fresh lemon juice on darkened skin. Egg pack. Beat an egg well and apply the fluffy mixture to your face. Wash it off after it's dry. Tomato. Apply a smoothie of 1 to 2 tomatoes and 2 teaspoons lemon juice on your face daily before bath. Hot oil body massage. Give yourself a hot oil massage. Leave the oil for 30 minutes and wash off with warm water. Yogurt pack. Apply a paste of 2 teaspoons jelly and 1 teaspoon honey on your face. Fruit pack. Make a smooth paste with the pulp of an avocado, cucumber, and papaya and 2 teaspoons of cream. Rose water. Use rose water to soothe your skin and improve its tone. Add to homemade face packs and scrubs for a fresh look. Cumin seeds. Boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in water and wash your face daily with it for clearer skin. Click on the link below the video to download a free ebook. 3 days glowing skin naturally. Thanks for watching.